welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you're here for another video. We got a lot to do in this home. Listen. I don't know what happened, but I just been working from home and taking care of this kid. I kind of dropped the ball a little bit, but today we're gonna get that taken care of. We are gonna run upstairs. See right behind me? It's the guest restroom. We're just gonna tackle that, clean, remove any type of stain, get some of the clothes into the laundry, fold some laundry. Enough talking, let's go. So this is my guest restroom. I think this is a better angle for you guys to see what it looks like because it's very small, but I was trying to clean it and look what I found in that. Yeah, that's peanut butter. Okay. Listen, I can't wait for these kids to go to school. I can't. So my guest restroom is very small, but I made it function for us. So this is the toilet area down here. Let's get that taken care of. Okay, so we got the restroom tackled. That was a mess. Now we're just gonna tackle the mirrors downstairs. Hey guys, did you get a chance to see my new video that came out on Tuesday? I changed my living room layout and I love it that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the TV, the table that it's on, just remove any dust and have the glass very clear. Okay guys, I don't know about you all, but when my kitchen is messy, I'm just not at ease. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get it all tackled. I'm gonna remove the trash. Just gonna take care of this kitchen so that it can be fresh as the rest of the house. So guys, when I opened my garage, I saw that my husband was back there and I was like, what is it that you're doing in the garage? But he came in and I didn't even notice that he was there. So I was just talking to him. So now I'm just going to mop the floor and then that should be it for right here. So I'm just picking up my living room. It didn't need a lot of help. I'm just cleaning and refreshing everything. And then I'm going to move upstairs to my bedroom.
I'm falling. I'm so deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
Okay guys, since we went minimal, I just love how easy it is to clean around the house, and my bedroom is no exception. It's easy for me to pick up things and clean, and that's what I'm doing right now, just getting everything all dust free and the glass to be all clear like I like them to be.
I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light, be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall.
So for those who never seen my bathroom, this is my bathroom, guys. I don't keep anything on the countertop except for the flower vase that you saw me putting down, because I like it to be clear and minimal. So I'm just going to clean it, clean the mirrors, and I should be good for this room. I already cleaned the bathroom without showing you guys the toilet, without showing you guys what that looks like. Yeah. So I'm just going to clean here and we should be good to go.
It's too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your.
So if this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I am a mama of 3. This channel is basically a lifestyle channel, decorating and cleaning and things like that. I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button and be part of this family. So this is my entertainment center. There's nothing much here to clean, but I don't like to see my pillows this flat, so I'm just going to go ahead and fluff it up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate you guys. I just like how clean and fresh everything looks, and that should be all for today's video. Bear in mind, I post videos Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you, guys. Bye, y'all.